Hi guys, we are at IIM Calcutta. Wonderful session here. Guys, you agree with me?
Yes.
And Professor Chetan Joshi has been so wonderful today.
Okay.
Sir, how do you feel about the whole system?
System is good. It needs a lot of ignition. These are very good. A long travel they had. I paired up the 57-year-old with the 17-year-old and still they could rock and roll. Yeah. That would be,
Sir, for our viewers who are listening to you, remote, thousands of people are listening to you. So what you want to give a piece of advice to them to grow their business exponentially and to take care of their, the kingdom of business?
Take care of your people. When you're at home outside, they will take care of your business.
Wow, that's
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
all right, guys, and it was awesome feeling, and really the day one at IIM Calcutta conducted by Mother Bhumi and in association with MalayaliBusiness.com. It was an awesome feeling, and we will be waiting for the surprising element for tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
With love.